Hi guys. Today we are going to make no bake cookies, meaning, well, you don't bake them in the oven. They are cooked on the stovetop in a saucepan and love them. So these will just take some unsweetened cocoa powder, sugar, butter, milk, salt, vanilla, quick cooking oats. That part's important because if they're not quick, they're going to be a little chewier and you might not like that. So I kind of preheated the pan a little. I got out of order as usual. And then put in the butter, the milk, the sugar, the white sugar, the salt, baked you out on the cocoa. Thought I was going to put the cocoa in first, didn't you? So did I when I went over the video. So you're going to whisk that together on medium heat, and it just takes a little while for it to reach a boil. Once it starts bubbling a little bit, then you're gonna just let it continue bubbling for about a minute, because that's gonna get that a little more towards the candied side, so it'll hold its shape. I've tried this with coconut oil before instead of vegan butter, and it didn't hold its shape very well. So I would probably, if you're going to go plant-based, I would probably use just like Miyoko's butter or one of those other plant-based butters that they have in the store. So then we're going to, after that's all hot and bubbly, we take it off and put the peanut butter in first, because that melts in really nice to that hot chocolate mixture. And what I do is, this is a half cup of peanut butter, so I use a 1.5 cups of water, cold water, and then I measure the peanut butter in there, and that way it doesn't make this big old greasy measuring cup. It just touches the inside here and there on the glass, but not much. So see how clean the measuring cup ends up? There's almost no peanut butter in there, and you can do that with butter too. Those greasy things that are messy shortening, and that way you don't have this big mess to clean up. You just dump out the water, the 1.5 cups of water, and put the peanut butter in there. So then we're adding the vanilla, which of course you would do near the end, because if you do it in the beginning, it's going to just evaporate off and you're not going to get those flavors. And I always use pure vanilla. And so then add in your 3 cups of quick oats. Again, not the regular, but quick. And this is about the consistency that you're going to have when you're ready to go. So it's super easy, as you can see. Just so easy. Like, these are easier than Rice Krispie treats, I'm telling you what. So then you don't even need a pan. You have a cookie sheet. You do need the saucepan, but so just scoop it onto some parchment paper, and then I just put my cutting board under it, so I could just go and slide that sheet of parchment off on the counter, and then I put another parchment on for the second sheet. And then they even set up really fast. Like, these had set up so quick, and then they'll harden a little bit more than what's pictured here. And they're just such a memory food for me, because Mama used to make them for us when we were kids, and I made them for my kids, and they're so easy, and they just taste chocolatey and peanut buttery. And if you're plant-based, you can just use oat milk and plant-based butter, and it's still, I think they're also gluten-free. I'm not sure, I didn't look that up. But anyway, thanks for watching.